my dear viewers and subscribers, great to meet you here again at Crazy Engine. Today we have a long-awaited run of the Conley 120 size DOHC version. This engine was developed and produced in the United States by Gary Conley. So let's try to start this engine and let us feel how it will perform. Thank you for watching. So, my dear viewers and subscribers, I have a very mixed impressions about this first step of how Conley 120 engine performs, and there is a few reasons for that. First of all, the general setup. It's not straddle, so you see that something is not fixed yet, and I was not able to mount engine with normal position of the carb, so it was necessary for me to turn the carb upstairs upside down. And I also noticed that engine is totally new, and that's the reason why it performed not stable. So it's the speed is changing periodically with no special reason for that. But anyhow, engine, I like this engine. First of all, it's really an amazing sample of great engineering and skills and mechanical skills. And I should say that I will continue to work with this engine to push it to work stable, and I think this is a problem with carb as well, and with all things around the engine as well. So thank you for watching, and see you soon at Crazy Engine. Have a nice day. Bye.